Ainsley. This is your little duet moment in Dragon Dance number 2. Both of you are doing arabesque on your right leg with your left foot extended. Ainsley is facing this way, Brooke is facing this way, okay? And so Ainsley has her back, this is the audience, so Ainsley has her back to the dragon, and Brooke is facing the dragon right here. And so Brooke's gonna go, this is at 102 in the Dragon Dance music, which will be in your playlist. So at 102, you meet in the middle. You guys both do your arabesque and you're really tense. Brooke is going to point at the dragon, and then you're gonna look at each other and be like, what are we gonna do? And then you're both like, we gotta leave. So you're gonna fouette, so I'm doing Brooke right now. So you're gonna fouette, you're gonna go spin, spin, and then Ainsley's gonna put out her hand for you, you're gonna take it, and you're gonna run off, okay? Now Ainsley, if I'm doing your part, you're gonna go, I know, I see it, it's scary, right? And then you're gonna go like this, stepping up to spin, and step, step. It's supposed to be only 4 steps for those 2 spins. You're gonna put out your hand, she's gonna take it, and you're gonna pull her off stage, okay?